Let me ask you something. What if your next income stream didn't come from a job, but from a machine? Not a huge factory, not $1 million setup, but a smart AI-powered machine sitting in your room, making money every single day. Sounds unrealistic? Most people don't fail in business because they are lazy. They fail because they never get access to the right opportunities. They don't know what products to start with, what machines actually make money, and most importantly, where to source them without getting scammed. Now, here's something interesting. For the past 8 years, I've been living and doing business in China, and I have personally seen how small machines that fit in a room, are being used to build real income streams. Not theory, not YouTube hypes. Real business. And in this video, I'm going to show you 10 powerful AI and tech-based machines that you can import from China and turn into profitable business. But most importantly, I will show you how people actually make money from them and how we can help you bring these machines directly from China to your country safely. And in this video, I'm not just going to show you random machines. I'm going to show you machines which actually make money, how people are using them in real life, and how you can import them safely from China without getting scammed or losing your investment. And trust me, and if you watch this video to the end, you won't look at starting a business the same way again. Machine number 1, we have the AI multicolor 3D printer. Let me tell you a quick story. One of our clients had zero experience, no brand, no audience, nothing. He bought a simple multicolor 3D printer. At first, he was confused. What do I even sell? Then he tried something simple. He made a custom nameplate for his friend. Just a basic one. Posted it online. Next day, 3 orders. Next week, 27 orders. Because people don't care about the machine. They care about what it does for them. How can you actually generate money from this machine? With this machine, you are not selling plastic. You are selling identity, personalization, emotion. You create custom logos, gamer tags, Daks branding gifts. And here's the crazy part. A product that costs you $3 to $5 can easily sell for $30 to $80. This is how powerful this machine is. And this machine is powerful because of automation. You don't sit and work. You take order, upload design, click print, the machine does the rest, even whilst you sleep. Now here's the part nobody talks about. There are hundreds of suppliers in China, but only a few are actually reliable. And beginners, they always choose the wrong one. At Daks International Trading, we don't just give you a link. We connect you with verified factories, check machine quality, negotiate real prices, handle shipping to your country. So instead of guessing, you start with the right machine from day one. Now, once people see that you can create products, the next question becomes, can I go beyond this? Can I build something more technical or more valuable? And that's where the next machine comes in. Machine number 2 is the AI PCB pick and place. This is where things shift from side hustle to serious business. Let me simplify it. Every smart device you use, your charger, your LED lights, your gadgets, has a circuit board inside. And these tiny components, they are not placed by hand. They are placed by machine. This machine. And this is how you can make money with this machine. You don't need to create a product first. You offer a service. Think about startups, engineers, students. They all need prototypes. But they don't have factories. So they look for someone who can do small batch production. That someone can be you. The realistic income path. You charge per board, small orders equals good margins. Repeat clients equals stable income. And this is the real import story. We had a client who almost lost $4,000 because he trusted a random Alibaba supplier. Machine arrived, didn't work properly. No support. Then he came to us. He sold from a verified supplier or manufacturer, tested the machine in China, and shipped it properly. Now, he runs a small PCB service business. That's the difference between guessing and doing it professionally. Now, maybe you are thinking, electronics sounds complex. Fair enough. Let's move to something you can actually see and touch. And that is machine number 3, the smart CNC machine. This machine turns raw material into precision products. Metal, wood, plastic. You load the design, it cuts it perfectly. Here's the smart play. You don't create random products. You solve existing demand. For example, Someone needs a custom bike part. Someone needs a replacement component. Someone wants a unique product. Instead of searching, they pay someone to make it. That someone can be you. And why is CNC machine different? Because it's not trendy. It's essential. The demand will always exist. Now let's talk real business. Machines like CNC are heavy. So how do you import them? There are two main ways: by sea shipping, which is the cheapest, or by air shipping, which is faster but expensive. At Daks International Trading, we handle freight booking, safe packaging, custom declaration or clearance in China, final delivery or clearance in your country. So you don't get stuck with paperwork or handy charges. If you are watching this and thinking, okay, this is real, but how do I actually start? Let me be honest with you. Watching videos is not enough. You need real suppliers, real negotiations, real logistics. That's exactly what we do at Daks Group. For over 8 years, we have helped over 10,000 entrepreneurs import directly from China without middlemen, without confusion. From sourcing to shipping to even paying of their suppliers in RMB, we handle everything. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and start learning how to build a real import business. Machine number 4, the AI UV printing machine. Now let's talk about something extremely powerful: UV printing. This machine can print on almost anything: glass, metal, plastic, wood. Why is this machine a gold mine? Because it combines customization, speed, premium look. You can create products like phone cases, acrylic art, business branding items. Real strategy is you don't sell printing, you sell finished products. That's where money is. We help clients choose the right printer, source inks and materials, ship everything together, so your business starts fully ready. Machine number 5 is the phone case heat press. Now let's take a real world example. Every single person watching this video has a phone. Now ask yourself, how many people want their phone to look unique? A lot. How is this business model? You create custom cases, trend-based designs, influencer make. Why this works? Because trends change fast. These machines let you react instantly. Small machines like this can be shipped by air, faster delivery, less waiting. And yes, we handle that for our clients. Machine number 6 is the AI Laser Engraver. And this is my personal favorite because this machine doesn't create products, it creates value. You take a simple item, it turns it into something personal. How you win: buy cheap items, engrave names, dates, messages, sell at 5 to 10 times the price. Why is this machine powerful? Because gifts are emotional, and emotional products always sell. Let me say something clearly: none of these machines will make you rich overnight, but they give you something real: control. I mean, control over your income, control over your time, control over your growth. Most people will watch this and move on, but a few people will take action. And if you are serious about that, we are here to help. At Daks International Trading, we have 8 years experience living and doing business in China, 10,000 entrepreneurs we have helped already, complete sourcing, shipping solution. Subscribe to this channel for more business ideas like this and start building your import business the right way. Which machine will you actually start? And if you want, I will break them down step by step. How to import your first machine from China. Machine number 7, automated injection molding. Plastic is melted, injected into a mold, cooled, and ejected as a finished product. Fully automated site. Why buy this? Because it gives you mass production capacity. With this machine, you can produce in bulk, sell online or wholesale. Lower cost per unit is equal to higher profit. Real example, cost is $0.5, selling at $5+. Scale is equal to real money. At Daks International Trading, we help with machine sourcing, mold suppliers, complete setup guidance. Machine number 8, and that is smart labeling and packaging system. It uses sensors and automation to apply labels, seal packaging, align products perfectly. You need to buy this machine because branding is profit. Same product, different packaging, 10 times price difference. How you can make money: white label, coffee, skincare, spices. Sell under your brand. We help you build supplier, machine, packaging ecosystem, not just one product. Now, if you have been paying attention, you notice a pattern here. It's not just about machines, it's about automation, customization, and speed. The faster you create, the more personalized you can make things, the more money you can charge. And the two machines I'm about to show you take that idea to a completely different level. Machine number 9, the AI Embroidery Machine. Now think about this. Every brand you see today, hoodies, caps, streetwear, what's one thing they all have in common? Embroidery. Logos stitched onto fabric. But here's what most people don't realize. Modern embroidery machines are no longer manual. They are AI-assisted software-driven systems. You upload a design file. The machine uses smart software to convert the image into stitch patterns, decide thread direction, optimize stitching paths, then automatically selects thread colors, stitches the design, finishes the product, all with zero manual effort. Why you should buy this machine? Because clothing brands are exploding right now, and embroidery gives products a premium feel. Printed t-shirt is $10, embroidered hoodie $40 to $80. Same product, different perceived value. And with this machine, you can start your own clothing brand, offer embroidery services, partner with small brands. And here's the best part: you don't need inventory. You can work on demand. At Daks service integration, but embroidery machines, you can work on demand. But embroidery machines comes in many quality. Cheap ones break, good ones last for years. At Daks International Trading, we help you with choosing the right machine for your budget, connect with verified suppliers, ensure you are not overpaying, so you start strong, not frustrated. Now, once you start customizing clothing, you will realize something important. People don't just want custom fabric, they want custom everything. And that brings us to the last machine, machine number 10. That is AI photo and video booth machine. This one is blowing globally, and hardly anyone is talking about importing it. This is not a normal photo booth. It's an AI-powered content creation machine. It uses AI filters, face recognition, background replacement, instant printing, or sharing users' stands in front. And the machine creates stylish photos, short videos, social media content instantly. Why you should buy this? Because people love content. We're in a generation of content creation, especially at weddings, parties, events. Everyone wants photos, but now they want unique, AI-generated, Instagram-ready content. You don't sell products here, you sell experience. Charge per photo, per session, per event, or event rentals. For example, rent it for a wedding, $300 to $1,000 per event. What is the real business model here? Place it in high footfall areas. Partner with event organizers. Offer branded experiences. But again, these machines involve software, hardware, maintenance. So sourcing the right one is critical. And that's where we help you find reliable suppliers, handle import process, ensure working set, so you don't face issues after buying. Now let me say this clearly. All these machines, they are opportunities, but only if you execute properly. Because the bigger mistake people make is not starting, it's starting wrong. Buying from random suppliers, overpaying, or getting low quality machines and then giving up. That's exactly why we build Daks International Trading. We are not just a channel, we are your on-ground partner in China. We are your eyes in China. For over 8 years, we have helped over 10,000 entrepreneurs find trusted manufacturers, negotiate their best deals, inspect their product quality, and deliver machines safely to their doorstep. So if you are serious about starting and you don't want to risk your money, connect with us for consultation. Let us help you choose the right machine and build your business the right way. Now I'm curious, which of these machines will you actually start with? Comment in the comment section, and if you want a full step-by-step guide on importing from China, I'll make that next in our coming video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more videos from this channel. We are your eyes in China. Sourcing, procurement, shipment, product testing, consolidation, or repackaging, we are here for you. not forgetting payment of your Chinese suppliers. Until then, bye-bye.